Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipe and instructions, see bottom page. Bring restaurant-style flavor home with this elegant yet effortless dish. Ocean prime scallops are seared until caramel golden on the outside and tender within, and topped with buttery pickled onions that balance sweetness, acidity, and richness. The quick pickle adds brightness, while the melty butter gives that velvety ocean prime finish. It's simple, sophisticated, and absolutely unforgettable. Ideal for impressing guests or treating yourself to a taste of the sea. Like and subscribe. Instruction. In a small bowl, combine diced red onions, vinegar and sugar. Let it sit for 15 minutes to lightly pickle. Transfer the pickled onions mixture to a small pot. Cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir gently until melt. Do not let it split. Set aside. Pat the scallops dry with a paper towel. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once hot, place scallops face down and sear for 3 minutes per side until golden and caramelized. Spoon the warm buttery pickled onions over the scallops, garnish with fresh parsley, and serve immediately.